Hello students, welcome back to this channel. This video contains the answers of question asked in the video 1. A method indicating the method name, return type along with method argument is known as function header or function prototype. Method in a Java program resides in class. The entire method body is enclosed under curly brackets. The dash method performs some actions without returning any output, void. A method contains dash and dash. A method contains header and body. Dash is the first line of the function header. The dash method performs some actions without returning any output. This is the same question. The dash method 4 number and 7 number. This is void. If a method does not return any value, its return type is void. In the function header, public is a access specifier. In the function prototype, void is a return type. In the function prototype, void is a return type. Write the different components of method. Different components of method are access specifier, return type, function name, and parameter list. The prototype of a method check which receives a character ch and an integer n and returns true or false. Prototype of a method check. So method name is check. This is the function name check, which receives a character ch. So char ch and an integer n. So int n and return true or false. So here is boolean. Return true or false. This is boolean. This is return type and method name is check and it receives a character value that is ch and an integer value that is n. Char ch int n. This is check is the function name, boolean is the return value. Now question number 4 is prototype of a method search which receives a sentence sent tnc and a word wrd and returns 1 or 0. Here this is the method name is search. So here is search and it will which receives a sentence sent tnc. Sentence is a string. So data type is string. So write here string then sent name string name is this one. Then it receives a word wrd. So string name is wrd and data type is string. Wrd is a word, so string name is wrd and data type is string. Sent, here sentence name is sent tnc, data type is string and name is the string Name of the string is this one. For both word and sentence, data type is string. It will receive the two values, and name is function name is search, and the return type is int, which receives a sentence and returns 1 or 0. Returns 1 or 0, so return type is boolean. Here not int 1 or 0. Here it is not boolean because in boolean this is your true false, but here 1 or 0, so it will be int. Third question is, write a prototype of a method that accepts a boolean type. Accepts a boolean type value but does not return anything. Does not return anything. So here this is public boolean. Here return anything, doesn't return anything means this is your void. Public void, and the function name is not given. You can take any name. Public void. Let's check. Public void check. Method that accepts a boolean type value but does not return anything. Boolean type value, so boolean any variable, boolean a or boolean x or any variable. You can give any variable. So public void check boolean a. This is the your third question answer. The, the role of keyword void in declaring method is to return no value to the color method. It is a return type which returns no value to the color method or main method. Now output of this one is, this is the value of 3 will pass to A, value of 5 will pass to B. So value of A is 3, value of B is 5. Now this is the process of swapping the variable value to the variable. Now this will be swap, that means interchange the values. The value of A will be 5 and value of B will be 3. So here the output will be 5 space 3.